You got it! Yes! Good job, bud! Who's ready for swimming lessons? So this kid learned how to swim. 2 weeks before these swimming lessons, we went down to Bayou Segnette State Park to go to New Orleans. Staying at the campground here, there's a pool that you can use, so we're gonna go swimming today. And I wanna include this day in this video just to kind of give you guys an idea of where the kids were at with their swimming, because Jacques didn't even really want to get in the water. Right here to catch you.
Look, I get
What? I got you. You good? Yeah.
Don't let go.
I got you. Little Beckett. Is it fun? You like the water, huh? Yeah? Put it in. Why? Do y'all think Beckett's gonna be a good swimmer?
Yeah!
So I guess in the next few years, Beckett's gonna need to learn how to swim. Unless we start that now. Watch to the end of the video to see what we do. In 2017, the first time we had swimming lessons, you did not want to put your head underwater.
Oh,
you remember that? And then this...
I didn't have the snorkel mask.
So you're that far away from the bottom. So all you have to do is get your head under that much and you'll be able to touch the bottom if you keep your arms straight.
That wasn't that bad. That was okay. That wasn't that bad.
But then the swimming lessons this past year, you put your face underwater.
Because I had a swimming mask.
You excited to go snorkeling? Let's go.
Hello! Hey guys, just got these masks. Got these flippers. I don't want to use them because I'm not swimming.
Put your goggles down, bud. Let's test it out.
Alright.
It's so cool. Why not? You gotta conquer your fears, bud. Are you scared? You can do it, bud. I believe in you.
Okay.
What are you most excited to learn today, bud?
I'm most excited to go down the water slide.
To go down the water slide? It is pretty awesome.
Right after the toy.
Oh yeah? That's super fun, huh? You ready to put your head in the water? So there's 3 things that I want Jacques to be able to do after these swimming lessons. 1, put his head underwater. Well look, let me see the long one.
That's stand up. 2.
All right, let's see if you can get it. Oh, you almost had it. You were right there. Inches away. Oh, so close. You can do it, bud. Keep going.
Face underwater longer than that. Just hold your breath.
Oh, you were so close. You almost had it, bud. I believe in you. You can do it. All you have to do is go down just a little bit further. I want you to reach as far as you can. Like Buzz Lightyear says, reach for the skies.
Awesome job.
Get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh, you were that far away. That far away. Get it, bud. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Did you get it? Oh, I thought you had it. Man, you're so close. What do you think the problem is? Do you know?
No.
No?
Not keeping your face in the water long enough to reach down to it.
You think you can keep your face in the water a little bit longer? Just reach down. Reach, reach, reach. Oh. You were so close.
That was longer.
That was longer. That was awesome.
Face in long, and now you just gotta reach down.
Now you gotta reach down further. Get your whole head underwater. I believe in you. You believe in yourself? Ready? Down, 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 down. Reach, 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 reach. Oh, so close. He's that far away. He literally almost has it. This is like Super Mario 3 and you're in Bowser's castle and that's Bowser down there and you gotta get him, right? You think you can do it? You gotta give it your all. Do your best. Let's do it. Go get it. Oh, you kept your head in so long, bud?
Yeah, you did.
That was awesome. Oh, so close. I know. You're making it move. Super Mario, no lives left. You have to do it. You got it! Yes! High five, bud! Yeah! Give your brother a high five, Amelia. You did awesome.
There was a frog on me.
A frog?
Yep.
Oh, yep.
I
little frog. All right, now that we got his head underwater, we can finally work with him on a little bit more techniques and getting him even more comfortable in the water so that he doesn't need the floats and the kickboards and the noodles and all those type of things that assist with swimming.
It's easier than I thought.
Awesome, bud. Go, buddy, go. You can do it. Look at you.
Awesome.
Yeah, bud. High five. You're like almost swimming. Did you know that? Like by yourself. You just got to learn a few more things.
Lean your head on my shoulder and I have my hands under you. Okay, whoa, be okay. Look, I got you. Lean your head on my shoulder. There you go. Okay, monkey, airplane, soldier, monkey, airplane. Oh, you're going fast. Okay, monkey, airplane, soldier.
Kick, 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 kick.
There you go. No, you see, you got me. Why you grabbing me?
Don't grab Miss Jamie, grab your board. Good job, bud. You made it all the way? Yeah! You gonna go down the water slide, Moops? Jacques, you gonna go down the water slide? No, with Miss Jamie? Ah. I wanna see you go down that slide, bud, because we're going to Great Wolf Lodge and they have a lot of slides. Big ones and small ones. I really hope that he gets brave enough and he goes down that water slide all by himself. That would be super awesome. What day are you gonna go down the water slide? I'll let you pick the day.
Next year.
Next year? No. Woo! You don't think you can just do the slide today?
No.
Why not? Tell me why. Your face is in the water, your hair's wet, your whole body's wet, Miss Jamie's there. She'll even go down with you.
What you would do is you would sit in my lap, and when we hit the water, I would hold you up.
You wanna do that? She's gonna hold you up. Be brave, dude. It's like, remember whenever you were real little and we went down the slide at the park and I would always go with you? You wanna go down your first slide? Here we go. Was that fun? Did you have a good time? Did you have a good time? Yay!
I do not remember.
You don't?
No.
Ah. Well, you wanna try it with Miss Jamie? Oh man. You did really good today though. I'm super proud of you. You did awesome. He believed in himself. He knew that he could do it. It was just a matter of overcoming that fear. And then all of a sudden, boom, it just clicked for him and he just started swimming. All right, Jacques, come get my feet, okay?
Get your legs.
Come on. Go. Oh, if you would have kept kicking, bud, you would have had it. Yeah, you got it. Yeah. I'm so proud of your brother. Good job, bud. Look at you. Wow. Got it. You did it on one breath. All right, now it's Beckett's turn. Do you think he's gonna be able to swim? Someone came today. You excited? You wanna kick too? Go, brother, go! Ready, set, woo! Let's do it. Ooh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You did it. You wanna do it again? Ready? Whoa. Yeah.